Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. Looking to embark on an unforgettable adventure? Outdoorsy.com is your gateway to a world of unique and exciting travel experiences. Discover a vast marketplace where you can rent a diverse range of recreational vehicles, RVs, from cozy campervans perfect for solo explorations to spacious motorhomes ideal for family vacations. Outdoorsy connects you with RV owners across the country, offering a flexible and convenient way to hit the open road. Whether you dream of cruising along scenic coastal highways, exploring national parks, or simply enjoying the freedom of the open road, Outdoorsy has the perfect RV to match your needs and budget. They offer a secure platform that simplifies the rental process, providing insurance options and 24/7 roadside assistance for peace of mind. With detailed listings, user reviews, and transparent pricing, you can confidently choose the RV that best suits your adventure. Start planning your next getaway today and experience the joys of RV travel with Outdoorsy. From rustic camping to luxurious glamping, Outdoorsy empowers you to create lasting memories and explore the world on your own terms. So, ditch the hotel and embrace the freedom and flexibility of RV travel with Outdoorsy.com, your key to unlocking unforgettable outdoor adventures. Discover the perfect RV for your next trip, connect with passionate RV owners, and embark on a journey that will stay with you long after you've parked the camper. Outdoorsy offers a truly unique travel experience, connecting adventurers with the perfect vehicles to explore the world. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure with Outdoorsy today. Browse their extensive selection of RVs, compare prices, and read reviews to find the perfect vehicle for your next escape. Experience the beauty and freedom of the open road with Outdoorsy.com, your ultimate resource for RV rentals. Don't just dream of adventure, live it with Outdoorsy.